Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A beautiful day to you guys, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. When one first transitions to short natural hair, sometimes it's totally feel lost. Maybe you don't know what you're doing. But on top of figuring out what type of product that really works on thick, coily hair, sometimes you may not even have that idea like how to style your hair. And in this channel, with what we have done so far and some other women subscribing and watching what we do here on this channel, so you can see many women have really come to understand the versatility, the versatility of a natural black hair. One thing about black women's hair is that black women's hair are magic. Like, it can seriously do anything, whether you are newly natural or looking for easy quick styles, because you will love getting your hair looking super creative. Because this kind of styles, there's no shortage of natural hairstyles you can try. So you can see from the tapered to the teeny weeny afro, which is the try, to the pixie cut, or the boys cut, or the afro. There were endless styles to wear while you are really embracing your natural curls. Sometimes too accessories, and sometimes the color highlights, and those unique shapes, they all accentuate the beauty of your natural hair. So maintenance always comes down to using the right product, and the right product I've always talked about is the Meal Kit. The Meal Kit costs for $7 to $20. We also have the Kings and Coils that's produced by Step the Barber. Kings and Coils can cost also within it. All of them all cost within the range of $7 to $20. You can get this product. So we have other products like the coil sauce, like the cow's daughter. These are the best products so far that are good and will always help your hair by protecting it from moisture sucking fabrics and always giving your hair that natural care it really deserves with this best coiling hair products. So when you're really ready to concentrate on your hair growth, check out those beautiful short hairstyles, and don't forget to always keep your satin bonnet or scarf at the ready to protect your new style at night, and try to peruse some inspiring natural hairstyles for black women we have for you guys, because you will not regret watching this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Welcome again. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. because you are not a man that changes your mind. Oh, those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but the arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist. Oh, you do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist. Oh, it can never ever exist. Oh, you do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but the arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist. Oh, you do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist. Oh, it can never ever exist. Oh. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never